This clip came from a previous video, and it's to display the extreme focus and drive and the hunt drive that this puppy displays in just 2 sessions. It's just unbelievably incredible to see superb drives, extreme searching and hunt drives in this 12-week-old German Shepherd puppy. This is why I love him. When one asks, is it training? I would have to say no. This is his natural behavior. This is why I chose him. Let's watch him here.
I'm gonna show y'all how good his nose is.
His devotion is one of the things that stole my heart. Queso is probably the second best dog I've ever owned for searching at this age, and has shown me how deep he is in the game, as you see here. I refuse to help him just to let you guys see him do his thing on his own, naturally. Just watch him. He'll never lose focus, and I did not train him this. This is his natural ability.
That's one hard searching SOB.
Wind is actually blowing in every direction. If you're looking for working puppies, don't hesitate to pick up the phone and call.
Grandmaster bought them up, the world's greatest puppy.
904-450-3339 with VanguardK9.com. Your leaders with some of the world's greatest working puppies.